Marlène from Skinny Croissant. Welcome to my kitchen. Today it's Indian. We are going to make butter chicken. It's something I really love. There are different recipes. This one is so easy. So butter chicken, it's an Indian recipe. In Indians, please be indulgent, is moog makhani, which is moog is chicken and makhani is butter. So you will need obviously chicken and butter, quite a lot of butter, and a few different spices. The fenugreek is the main spice usually. It was impossible for me to find it in France where I live. I tried to replace it and basically they replace it with maple syrup. Why? Because they have the same component. So the chicken that we are marinating, I cut in big chunks because it's very, very good quality chicken, as always. And to me, it's gonna be more moist if we cut big pieces. 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste that I made with a bit of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, salt, and covered, and we leave it in the fridge for at least half an hour. It's something that you can prepare in advance the day before, but half an hour is enough. Onion that we roughly chop, so don't bother to cut it small, you just cut big. Et voilà. So chicken aside, and now we are cooking the onion. Bit of oil and onion in the same pan. Ginger and garlic paste, sugar, malt vinegar, garam masala again, chili powder. So after 20 minutes to simmer, we're gonna mix the whole thing. So you put back everything in the same pan. If it's too thick, you can add a bit of water. Quatre et 5 and 2 of, so this is yogurt. You can add cream, sour cream or yogurt. I do yogurt and this one is soy yogurt simply because I don't do cow milk and there is no way I'm gonna look at you eating that without me. So I'm adding just soy cream, chicken et c'est tout. Regarde la sauce, quoi. Regarde la sauce. En fait, il y a vachement plus de sauce qu'il n'y a de poulet. Pourtant, j'ai respecté les proportions. Oh. So check your seasoning as always. So salt. And the last thing, maple syrup. So that's all for today. You can check this recipe on my website as well, skinnycroissant.com. Thank you as always for liking, sharing and subscribing, and I see you next week. Bye bye! Oh my god. It's a bit sweet and savory, spicy, decadent. It's crazy what we can do with a few spices and a lot of butter.